This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Adriana Bolivar. Spacious and bright townhome in well-maintained community. 1 bedroom downstairs with bathroom. High ceilings and laminate wood floors throughout. Newer carpet installed on stairway. No neighbors in the back, serene view with privacy. Maintenance includes water, roof, insurance, lawn and garbage. Home is near shopping, restaurants and easy access to highways. For more information, review the details below.